The Kindness Critters Lab presents the Helper Hypothesis. Welcome back to the Kindness Critters Lab. I'm Professor D, your friendly rhino researcher of all things kind and curious.
Hi, Professor D. What are we investigating today?
Excellent question, HoneyHeart. Today we're testing a brand new theory I call the Helper Hypothesis. It means we're exploring how helping others, the planet, and ourselves can spread joy, even when the day feels a little cloudy. Sometimes we all have those meh moments, the kind where our brains say, I don't think I can make a difference today.
Yeah, I get those sometimes, like when I feel small or worried. It's hard to feel helpful.
Exactly, but those feelings are perfectly normal. The trick is, that's when kindness can shine the brightest. So, to test our theory, I've lined up 4 helper experiments. Each one explores a different kind of kindness. Earth kindness, other kindness, family kindness, and self-kindness.
Ooh, I love experiments. Let's start, Professor D.
Our first field researcher is Ella. She's at the park, showing her love for Mother Earth by picking up trash with friends.
Got one and another. The park is going to be sparkling again in no time. Wow, she's fast. That's a whole kindness workout.
Indeed. Fun fact, when we help the Earth, our brains release dopamine. That's the sciencey name for the happy helper chemical. Next up, Dottie the dachshund. She's helping her little sister learn a new trick.
You got this, Poppy. Jump through the hoop. I believe in you. I did it. I really did it. Aw, look at them. That's the sweetest teamwork ever.
Exactly, HoneyHeart. Helping others releases oxytocin, the friendship chemical. It strengthens trust and warms our hearts. Meanwhile, Rosie and her mom are cooking dinner together, mixing, measuring, and making memories.
1 cup of carrots, 2 cups of love. I love cooking with my family too. It feels cozy.
Ah, yes, a classic case of shared joy creation. Helping families shows care in action, and the data suggests laughter levels raise by at least 72.3%. Last but not least, Tilly takes a self-kindness break. She's recharging by watching her favorite funny show.
That llama just slipped on a banana peel. Sometimes when I'm sad, funny shows or cuddles with Piglet make me feel better too.
Beautifully said, my dear. Self-care is kindness too. When we rest, laugh, or breathe deeply, our bodies calm down and reset. It's like a kindness recharge button. Let's analyze the data, shall we? Smiles, doubled. Stress, reduced. Hearts, glowing at record brightness. The helper hypothesis is officially confirmed.
Yay, we did it! Helping does make a difference.
Indeed, whether we help the Earth, our friends, our families, or ourselves, kindness multiplies. Even on tough days, tiny acts of love can make big ripples.
I'm gonna try that, Professor D. Next time I feel down, I'll find one tiny way to help someone, or even just be kind to me.
Splendid idea, my curious friend. That's the real science of kindness. Love in action. So remember, little scientists, you don't need to feel perfect to help. Sadness, worry, or tired days are part of being alive. But when you get creatively kind, the world gets a little brighter. And so do you.
Sending you honey hugs and critter kisses. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!